Hi, I'm Justin Kim, this is Ethan Lee and Elizabeth Choe. Our journey with helping Tanzanian artists began as a group of high schoolers passionate about helping a fellow student in Tanzania. We first met Ezekiel while volunteering to teach computer programming to high schoolers in the Arusha area of Tanzania. We quickly realized, though, that not only was Ezekiel a talented programmer, but also a skilled artist. His illustrations depicted Tanzanian animals in poetic scenes with fine attention to detail. In light of the recent decline of tourism following the COVID-19 pandemic and political instability in the area, pursuing his artistic ambitions, in particular finding customers to buy his works, has been incredibly difficult for Ezekiel. He was forced to ask us if we would instead like to purchase his works for $30 each. Through conversing with Ezekiel, we quickly realized that it wasn't just him who had these issues. Many other aspiring young African artists struggled to make a living from their art. To overcome this barrier, we agreed that the first step to a solution was to help African artists make their work more public and raise awareness by introducing the artists to a larger, global marketplace. We designed and developed an app called Voice of Peace, Rare Resonance of African Art and Culture, to help other aspiring African artists reach a wider audience. This app connects African artists with art lovers and potential buyers worldwide. We've included many features for our artists, such as an online application form to submit their art and a gallery page to display their artwork. Additionally, we're introducing artists to entirely new marketplaces and sources of revenue, such as by creating and selling NFTs.
Here is an overview of the front end and back end sides of our website. The Voice of Peace project website is divided into the following sections: Main page, About, Gallery, and Application. Main page. This page provides a brief overview of the website's content. About. This section introduces the website and the services it provides, such as marketing strategies for Tanzanian artists. Gallery. This section includes a page that displays all of the artist's work at a glance, as well as individual pages for each artist. Let's look around at Ezekiel's page. Each artist's page includes a bio and their artwork. Above the artwork, there are icons that connect to various platforms. For example, clicking on the Shopify icon allows users to purchase Ezekiel's artwork. The page is also linked to Pinterest so that more people can see Ezekiel's artwork. Artists can also register their work on famous digital art platforms such as Getty Images and Shutterstock, and they will soon be able to register their artwork as NFTs. The page also includes links to the artist's social media accounts. Application. African artists can submit an application to receive services such as marketing, sales, and display of their artwork. On the back-end side, cPanel. This is the cPanel that we use to manage our website. And database. The database uses MySQL, and these are the data tables that we created and used. Files. So this is the directory of our website on the server. It was developed using HTML, CSS, and PHP. Most of the source code for page development is in the module directory here. The skin directory contains files related to UX/UI, HTML, and CSS. And there are PHP files that have the function to write and save data to the database.
Social media integration. We also consider the use of third-party social media platforms such as YouTube and Instagram to further support our project with global visibility for our artists. Through these avenues, which come with an already expansive international audience, we can showcase Tanzanian artists' talents through many more ways alongside their finished artworks for sale. For example, the site YouTube can be used to document artists' unique stories and inspirations for their art in order to garner a wider user base for our app and website. Other social media, such as Twitter and Instagram, can be used to promote traffic and attention. In essence, we can make the most use of available resources, including platforms that are already available to Tanzanians and the global market, as another avenue to strengthen the visibility, impact, and longevity of Voice of Peace.
Moving forward, our team is planning to incorporate generative AI technologies to expand artwork into multiple forms. Using AI will enable artists to quickly design picture books, souvenirs, and fashion designs with their artwork, increasing profit and exposing the work to a larger audience. We also plan to add more ways for our artists to sell their works, such as listing them as NFTs on an online marketplace. Not only will the artists make money when we sell the NFT to another user, but also when other users sell the NFT, the artist will get a royalty cut off the transaction. Additionally, we want to introduce our website and the Voice of Peace project to Ezekiel and his colleagues so that we can reach out to even more young Tanzanian artists and help them. In late August, we plan to travel to Tanzania in person in order to connect with more artists and further assess what we can do to help. Finally, we plan to continue to improve our platform to create an African art distribution hub where artists, sellers, and buyers can come together.
Our first commercialization strategy is a soft launch. Our local partners are currently visiting Tanzanian artist spaces to understand the local situation. We plan to soft launch the Art in Tanzania platform for local artists, collect feedback, and incorporate improvements. We will visit Arusha, Tanzania from August 26th to September 7th, visiting artist communities and exhibitions like Art Gallery, Cultural Heritage, and Themi Living Garden, and meeting artists like Ezekiel. The second commercialization strategy is media marketing. We will produce documentaries and promotional videos of Tanzanian artists to actively promote the Art in Tanzania platform and social media. This will attract not only art buyers, but also professionals in the arts and cultural industries, including those in industry, logistics, and distribution. The third commercialization strategy is enhancing trust in artists and their works. We will establish standard requirements for artists and manage them through various elements. Fourth commercialization strategy is fostering active content updates through artist engagement. We will provide continuous education for artists on digital art creation, digital marketing, AI utilization, and platform usage. Additionally, we will offer tailored solutions for the local situation, including internet access infrastructure, artist associations, and amateur artists.
Let's discuss the state of the digital art market. The global digital art market is rapidly growing, with NFT-related art activities reaching $2.9 billion in 2021, a 70-fold increase from 2020. Additionally, increased accessibility for artists and consumers led to $11 billion in online art sales in 2022. This market growth presents new revenue opportunities, exemplified by digital artist Beeple's work selling for $69 million at a Christie's auction. This situation opens the possibility of cross-border transactions, potentially leading to increased revenue. Now let me explain the economic benefits of this project. Through the Art in Tanzania platform, Tanzanian artists can enter the global market, potentially earning an additional $5,000 to $20,000 annually. Additionally, there is a trend of increasing average income per artwork. The second economic impact is job creation. We plan to contribute to Tanzania's economic revitalization through direct and indirect employment. For instance, we plan to hire 50 additional staff annually with an expected economic impact of approximately 400 million TZS, about 164,000 USD. Additionally, we plan to hire 30 more indirect employees annually with an expected economic impact of approximately 180 million TZS, about 74,000 USD. The third economic impact is the revitalization of the local economy. As artists' incomes increase, they can reinvest in the local economy by purchasing art supplies and investing in other local industries. This economic cycle can create an estimated $300,000 in annual economic ripple effects. The fourth social impact is promoting cultural diversity and increasing the value of cultural exchange. Each artwork can have a cultural exchange value of approximately $1,000. With 100 artworks exhibited annually, this can generate $100,000 in cultural exchange value. This value reflects the cultural, educational, and emotional benefits provided to people when the works are exhibited. The fifth social impact is addressing persistent social issues in Tanzania. We recognize problems like a youth unemployment rate of over 20%, a secondary school enrollment rate of 27%, and a gender inequality index of 0.513. We aim to positively impact Tanzanian society by addressing these issues. Finally, let me discuss how art in Tanzania can help solve social issues and contribute to social welfare in Tanzania. Our goals include reducing unemployment, addressing poverty, expanding educational opportunities, reducing gender inequality, promoting community development, and preserving cultural heritage. Art in Tanzania aims to assist Tanzanian artists in marketing and selling their works while introducing a new economic model through digital markets in the region. By attracting participation from not only art buyers, but also professionals in industries, logistics, and distribution related to the arts and cultural industries, we expect to positively impact Tanzania's economy and society. Thank you.